Hello guys, review smartphone Xiaomi 12T. This version 8GB memory and 128GB internal memory. Okay, look completion. In completion we have protected back cover on this and documentary. Okay, device in the black color and completion. We have Type-C cable and adapter with supercharge. Very fast charge. Okay, and now talk about device. Metal body. Okay, on the back side triple camera, main camera 108 megapixels. On this side power button and volume buttons. On this side without controls, downside Type-C port, speaker and microphone without headphones jack device. And on the downside we have slot for 2 nano SIM card without micro SD slot. Okay. Very good AMOLED display. Full HD Plus resolution 120 Hz. Open Geekbench 5 and talk about system information. We have CPU MediaTek Dimensity 8100 Ultra, octa-core, 4+4 cores, and GPU Mali G610. Perfect results, very powerful device. Onto the benchmark results look. Perfect onto the benchmark results. We have top 15 in onto the benchmark. Top 50. And run GTA San Andreas, PUBG Mobile, Diablo Immortal, Vox on the max graphic level without problems. Very smooth. Okay. Perfect gameplay. Close this, and now I show you photos on the main camera. Let's do this.